Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to reset PIN on Revolut. So the first step is to simply open Revolut, and then you'll have to simply tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. And then what you'll have to do is simply scroll down and then simply tap on security and privacy. And then you'll have to simply tap on change passcode, as you can see at the top under security. And then basically you'll have to enter your existing passcode. And then after that, you'll be able to create your passcode. So basically, this is how you can reset your PIN on Revolut. This is the only way, and I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.